What's the meaning of creel? Creel. Creel.
Creel. Creel. The word creel can have multiple meanings depending on the context. However, one of the most common definitions refers to a wicker basket used for carrying fish that have been caught while angling. Typically, creels are made of woven willow strips and have a shoulder strap for easy carriage. They are often used by fly fishermen to keep their catch fresh and avoid damage to the fish. Creels can also be used for carrying other items such as berries or mushrooms. In summary, a creel is a type of basket used for carrying freshly caught fish or other small items.